Hi guys, welcome back. This is Codeforces Round 903 We're going to solve the first problem, that is don't try to count. So they will give you a string of length n and m, like x and s respectively, and we can perform any number of operations, and the string contains lowercase Latin letters, the normal English alphabets. So in one operation what you can do is you can take the current value of x and append it to the end of the string. Now after that, in the second operation you will get a value of x, right? You take the entire x and append it back to the string. So you might know, in YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or TikTok, there is a famous trend, right? Double it and give it to the next person. So here what we are doing is we take the string value of x, you double it and join them, double it, join them. So if this is aba is the string, you are just doubling it, aba and join them together. Okay, now next time again what you have to do, you double these two together and join it. This is one and this is one, or in other words you can just take a copy of this and combine it, append it to the end of the string. Now our goal is they will give you another string called as s. We need to see whether s is a substring of x or not. What is a substring? Whether if a string aba is there, is it part of a bigger string or not. It's like if you match it, are there any index starting from x and starting from s such that if you take continuously the strings are equal or not. Now they are asking what is the minimum number of operations s will appear in x as a substring. So how much times you have to keep doing this operation, you have to find the minimum number of operations needed, and if it is not possible you just can print -1. That's all. Let's take this example and find out a. So what did they say here? X value is given as a and s value is given as 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now the first thing is a. So is this as a substring of a? No. Now what do? You have to double it and combine them together. So a is here. So what do? I just need to take entire thing and combine it. This is again not a substring. I took one operation now. Then I take the second operation. Second operation, what do? You just copy this and paste it here. Now 5 a's are here, 4 a's only. It's not a substring again. Now copy the entire thing and paste it here. So how many operations did we do? For this one we took one operation, for this we took second operation, and for the entire thing we took 3 operations. Now this 5 is definitely part of this string, right? So we can say that within 3 operations I am able to find out. So that's why you got the character as 3. For this you can check another example. E force is the original string and force is the second string. E force is x and s is force. Here there is no e here. So how many operations are needed? For the first operation, if you want to perform at least one operation, what do? You just copy this and paste it. So now let's check whether force is a substring or not. Yes, force is a substring here. So we need only one operation to perform this, and that's how we got 1 here. Now the constraint, if you notice, the length of both of them, if you multiply it, it will be less than or equal to 25. So x into s, length is always less than or equal to 25. So if we keep combining it, we can see that the pattern is actually the same, right? If see, for a, after 2 or 3 years, if you're able to get the size, it is the same only, it won't change. And for aba also, so aba, here one time it definitely changes, ab aba, like that, and if you combine it together, aab aa can come, there is one more a, so a new string came. So how long a new string can form, that is our question. So we are just brute forcing it, we are just doubling it and checking, we are just appending it and checking whether s is part of that string or not. So how long should we keep on doing it so that we can report the string is not applicable? So if we are doubling it, what is the notation for that? So if we do one time, it is 1, 2 times it's 2, then again 2 times it's 4, 8, 16, 32. If you keep on doing this, how much it will take it? If for 2 per 10 and all, it will be like 1024. So our things will be maximum 25 characters only. There won't be that much different combinations. So we got 64 also. So I can take, like, I can do 6 operations. So maximum I'll try for 6 operations, and for each operation I'll check whether the string is part of a substring or not. So how did we do it here? I took the length of n and m respectively. I took the length of x and s. Now, what does this represent? X means the largest string, which we are keeping on doubling here. And s means I am checking whether s is having a path or not. S is a substring of x or not. So not equal to string and pause means, what does this do? This returns the index where it's matching. If it's not matching, it returns a bigger number. So in C++, we write it as no, not equal to string and pause. That means we have already found out a valid integer. So it is not n pause here, it is a valid integer. So we write f equal to 1 break. If f equal to 1, I find the how many number of operations. So if we do not match, what do? We increase the number of operations. Result plus plus increases the number of operation. X plus equal to x just doubles it. It just appends to the end of the character. So that's all, guys. It's very easy. Count, you can, even if you keep count as 10 also it will work, 6 also it will work. So you don't have to go for a tighter bound and all here. So you just can make with a rough estimate by seeing the constraints. So this is the problem link here, so solution link. If you want, you can refer this, and if you have any doubts, and please let me know in the comments, we'll be glad to help. If you like the video, don't forget to share the comments. Thank you.